Okay, so we're going to talk about how to read a hematocrit. And we have spun our microhematocrit tube. And just remember, it goes in the centrifuge on low for 5 minutes. And that the clay part points towards that outer rim of the centrifuge. When it comes out, it's going to look like this. So with the red cells at the bottom, that buffy coat with the white and the platelets in the middle, and the plasma towards the top. Hematocrit is a measure of percentage of red blood cells compared to the total. So we're going to use this little tool, and these come in these little circular discs, or it comes just in a straight strip, and it really doesn't matter which one you have. They're going to work the same way. So we're going to start by placing where the red blood cells start at the 0, which is this outer ridge. Again, make sure you don't place the clay at 0, but you place the red blood cells at 0. You then want to find the scale where the plasma ends at 100. So you can see now here that it's far above the 100, so that's not going to be it. So I'm going to move it to a different scale. So I'm going to come a little bit over. Sorry, I'm trying to move and film. Okay, so now we've got red blood cells at 0. And we've got plasma at probably one more over. Okay. So now we've got our red blood cells at 0 down at the bottom. I can adjust it just a little bit. And you can see our plasma ends, and it's very tough to see in a video, but the plasma ends where that 100% is. And that's because we're just looking for the percentage of red blood cells compared to the whole. And the whole is 100%, right? So we need to place it at the scale where we're at 100%. Then we just look at the number where the red blood cells end. And you can see that this one clearly ends at about 39 or 40. I'd probably give them the benefit of the doubt. Say about 40, okay? And then realize that this scale goes up by 1. So you can see there's 40, that slightly darker line in the middle is 45, and those are single numbers that go up in between each of those. And this is how you physically read a hematocrit once you've taken it.